This video was generated for free using AI. If you want to do the same, go to any browser and search for Google AI Studio, or you can use the first link in the description. Create an account here and click Get Started. Here you can see different Google AI tools like Nano Banana for images and Veo 3.1 for videos. Now since we want to generate AI videos for free, click here on Chat with Models in the background. Click here on video and you can see we have the option to select Veo 2, which is actually an older model, but you can generate AI videos for free using this model. Click on it and now we can animate images, create videos from images, or create videos from prompts. On the right we have a few settings like how many videos you want to generate. The maximum is 2 videos per prompt. Then you can select the aspect ratio, video duration of up to 8 seconds. The frame rate is set to 24 fps and quality to 720p. If you want to change this, you will need to get an API key by paying. We also have the option of entering negative prompt. Now let's generate our first video. You can see it asks us to enable Google Drive access in order to save our videos. So just click on enable Google Drive, select your Gmail that you used to create an account here, and we are done. Let's enter our first prompt, an astronaut playing football on moon. You can click here to add a reference image and then click here or hit Ctrl plus enter on your keyboard. You can see our video is being generated, and you should know that you can get better results with better prompts, and as we are using an older model, the results may vary. The only advantage is that we can generate 10 videos for free, and if you want to generate more, you can either use a new Gmail ID or go for a paid plan. You can see this video took about 45 seconds to generate. I will play the video and you can see the astronaut and the moon look really good, but the astronaut does not interact with the football. You can click here to save this video to your Google Drive or click here to download. Now let's give an easier prompt, a horse running on water, and hit Ctrl enter. Again, it will take about 45 seconds and you can see our video is now ready. You can see that this video is much better than the previous one because our prompt was simple and there aren't many objects in our scene. So this was how you can generate videos for free using AI. If you want to know how you can build a website for free using Wix, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.